How to add images in columns in Mailchimp. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to add columns and add images into these type of columns. The process is very easy and very simple. Follow up the tutorial from the beginning till the end and you are going to be good to go. The first thing that you need to do is to head over Mailchimp.com. Then we are going to sign in into our account. Once you have signed in into your account, you're going to create the email, or basically you are going to visit the editor. So I'm going to select here create email. So this method is going to be also available for editing emails and not only creating them. I'm going to click on here one of the choices that I have. It doesn't matter. So we are going to click on basic layout, for example. I'm going to select one of the layouts that has been proposed to me. And here, as you can see, we are going to see the email sample. Now, what I am going to do basically is to head over the ad. From here, we have content and layouts. We're going to head over layouts. And from here, we are going to see the blank layouts, which will have the columns. So basically, I'm going to click on here. We are going to choose, for example, this one or that one. I'm going to add it in here. So this is the three columns layout. Now, what I am going to do is to add a image block into one of these content. So as you can see, we have drop content here, the 3 times mentioned. So I'm going to click on done. Then we are going to head over here, image. I'm going to drag an image and drop it in one of these columns. I'm going to drop it here. As you can see, we have added an image. I'm going to add it into this one also. I can do that and then we can upload the image that we want. And from here, we can also add the third one as a 3 images. You can basically do that for all the columns that are available in here and how much as you want. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you soon on the next one.